Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Westen. How are you guys doing today? Now, if you was here last time, you seen where we pulled the door off of our beautiful red 2019 Dodger. You know, that means one thing. We can't exactly reuse this door for reasons that might be seen on camera. It's just got a couple small things on it. It's very lightly damaged. So we need a new door. The good news is I found a new door over in Coffeyville, Kansas, which is about a 2-hour drive from where we are here. Yep, definitely raining. Oh, Cummins, are you ready for a trip like this? Ooh. Yeah, she's ready. All right, let's go. See lots of junk over there. I think we might be here.
All right, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. I talked to a lady on the phone about a door.
There's your restroom.
Sure, right there.
Thank you.
Sure, there's a tree out back. Over here?
Here's the truck right here. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna say you're missing a little bit of it. What'd you tell me? You could do $450 on it, right?
$450. Uh-huh.
All right, I'll take it. I'm gonna say this truck was a smoking deal.
Yeah, got a little toasty on the hood.
Okay. It was good doing business with you.
Thank you.
I was getting ready to shake your hand, but I'm like, you're coming with me. Woo! And look at that, guys. We are back. We need to. It's raining on us pretty good, so we need to get these boxes put inside before they get rained on too much. Got some important, very secretive parts in there, and got some Peterbilt parts in here we need to take in. Look at that pack car and some airbags and stuff. As it is, the wiring might be completely different on this door as it was on our door. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Because I think our plug-in's different than that, but the hinges are the same, and all this was the same. This truck caught fire, so it's got a little bit of soot on it, but that was just because it was such a smoking deal of a truck. We need to go ahead and open the garage door, grab our boxes, put our boxes inside, then we'll grab our door and take our door inside and figure out what we're gonna do in there. All right, so we got the door right there. Now, before we're gonna pull the door out, we gotta figure out exactly how we're gonna get these bolts out of our cab. This is gonna be fun. Waylon's so excited for this part. The idea to me is I take and put a few tack welds on this and kind of build it out a little bit until we can grab it with some pliers and spin them out. But if I mess up and I tack weld the bolt to the hole, then we're really forked.
Then we'll just
Super forked.
We'll just take the bracket off the door and weld it to the truck.
Yeah, like we'd be like super forked there. So I don't know. We could try. Let me look, see if we got any drill bits and easy outs. We can try drill bitting and easing out at first. It shouldn't be that in there for long.
You can't use the tack weld as a backup plan.
Yeah, you're right. Fine. It's decided. We're gonna tack weld it to begin with. Okay. Here, you hold that. Let me grab my welder. Pull out our awesome little welder here.
What kind of welder is that, Weston?
This is an Eastwood welder. This is actually a really cool little welder. This thing will actually do MIG welding, TIG welding, and stick welding. Actually, this is an awesome little welder. It's a Eastwood MP200i. If you want one of these, go over to eastwood.com and get you one. I've had this one for a while, and it is awesome. I use this thing all the time. Whenever we got to weld anything, this is exactly what we use. You can use it on 220, 110, whatever. I mean, we use it on 110 a lot because if it's not close to the big outlet over there on the other side of the shop. But it works good. I mean, it's worked good for us so far, except for I'm running over our cord. But we'll fix that.
Where'd you get the cart?
The cart's just a Harbor Freight cheapie. Yeah, the cart's seen better days, but the cart's not bad. All right, now this is gonna be fun. I don't like welding on trucks like this because this is a really nice truck. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
Look at it right here. There's paint scratched off right there.
There's some paint missing. Now, 99% of the time you won't ever have a problem welding on a truck, but since this truck's so new and so fancy, we're gonna go ahead and unhook the batteries on it because we're really close to a lot of the ECM and stuff up here in the corner of the truck. So we wanna make sure we don't fry any of that. So we're gonna go ahead and unhook the batteries and then we'll start throwing some tack welds and hopefully we can get these bolts pulled out. And I think I explained this there before, but maybe in case I didn't, what we're trying to do is when this bracket broke off, it broke the top of the bolts off into the cowl. So there's actually nothing to grab onto. So I'm just gonna take and try to throw a couple tack welds on it where we can grab it with a pair of pliers and twist them bolts out. and then we can just put some new bolts in it. But anyway, he's gonna unhook the batteries. I'm gonna grab my welding helmet and I don't know, find my welding gloves wherever they're at around here, and grab our Eastwood welder, turn the gas on, and start throwing some tack welds. See how it goes. And I'm gonna get dressed for battle here. Look at this. This is really cool too. This is one of them. This is a welding helmet that Eastwood sells, and it's got peripheral vision in it, which is really cool. You can actually see all the way around the welding helmet. I don't know what this welding helmet's called, but I'll put a link in the description. You ought to go check that out too. I love this welding helmet. How do I look? Yeah, I'm ready! Luke, I am your father.
That's a pretty good little bead you got there.
It's not bad, actually.
Here you are. It's working. Look at that, guys. It's working. My idea works pretty slick, huh? You're like,
Perfect. Look at that.
keep that in.
Oh, it's expertly cataloged over there. Well, guys, after throwing a couple tack welds and getting it screwed out a little bit, we've got these bolts. We've already got that one out. And there we go. Oops. And there. We just got the other one out. Expertly cataloged that. Now we got some good bolt holes right here. We got 2 good bolt holes right there. Waylon, you know what this calls for? Oh, we better shut our welder off. Yeah, that's a good little Eastwood welder. I love that thing. All right. We already got the bolts out of the hole. Now we still need to fix this little ding right up here, but we will go ahead and fix that another day. We're actually out of gas for our welders, so we just had to throw a little bit of tacks on it and get them guys up right there. All right, stay. Good camera. Look, it looks perfect. It looks like it's just going to go right on, don't it?
You got your bolts?
Just go ahead and set it up there and latch it. Don't scratch the truck. Look at that, guys! Watch this, guys. Look at that, it actually shuts. So we got the white door on there, we got all the bolts in it, and it lines up almost perfect. I mean, there's just a little bit of adjustment that needs to be done right here, but there's some adjustment we can do in the hinges and stuff. But it opens, it shuts like it's supposed to, it's not binding up. Like, realistically, I could have asked for no better. Now, obviously, it is the wrong color. We needed to paint it to match the color of our truck, or it could look like a fire truck, you know. We want a red and white fire truck, don't we? We don't, a cameraman saying no, we don't want one. So we will have to paint this, which I'm going to give this a shot trying to paint this myself. Who knows how well it's going to turn out, but you know, it could always turn out worse. So the other thing we will have to do is the wiring in this door is actually, different compared to, here, let me show you on this side actually, it's easier on this side. The wiring on this door is actually different compared to the door we took off. The plug-in is different from the plug-in that goes on the truck. See, they won't plug in together. So what we'll have to do is take and pull all the wiring and the module and everything out of this door, put it in that door, and then it should all plug in and work together. Now, it was actually really nice that this is the old body style door because everything works. I think we'll actually be able to even put our door panel back on it. Now that door panel was deformed a little bit from the accident, kind of got stuck up right here. I think there's a chance we might be able to reuse this door panel because this door panel is like $600 for this door panel because this is a new style door panel compared to the old ones. It doesn't look that much different, but there is differences. Yeah, you can definitely tell differences when you're looking at it. So we're gonna try to reuse this. I don't know if we can or not. If not, we'll just buy a new door panel. My brother just called me and he's got us a Christmas gift. So let's see what he got us. I think we're all gonna like this, including the Dodge. I think the Dodge is really gonna like this. Stay. Good door. He got us a fender. Now this fender was on back order from Mopar Dodge for 2 weeks. But you know what? He really pulled through and got it for us. So thank my brother if you're glad that we got fenders. It's not exactly the right color, but don't worry, we can fix that. We got rattle cans. Oh yeah, it's all bent, but that's all right. We got the old frame machine. All right. Let's see how it fits now. So we gotta tuck this back in there behind there. And this side needs to go underneath the battery box. Come on. Are you too good for your home? It's on! I had to look, I had to see, did I bend it somewhere first? But no, it's on. Oh, hold on. I'll bend that back out a little bit. We're not going to paint it on here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to dry fit it, which means we're going to put it on here right now. And then once it's on there, we'll take and make sure everything fits up right. And then, after that, we'll take it back off. We'll paint the back of it. That way the back of it looks good. Paint the jams and everything. Put it back on. And either we'll paint the outside of it on the truck, or we'll just paint the whole thing off of the truck. We might just paint the whole thing off of the truck. I think that'd be a lot easier. And then we'll do the exact same thing with the door. So we'll have to take this back off, paint it off of the truck, and then we'll put it back on. So let me find the bolts.
What about the bubble wrap? We take this off yet?
No, leave the bubble wrap on there. We gotta have, no! We gotta have bubble wrap to protect it.
You gonna hit that many things with it?
Probably. This is Westen. Of course we probably will. You see my little ratchet? Let's see. Is it going either way? Oh, looks pretty. Bam! Look at that thing. Well, guys, look at it. Ain't it looking pretty good? We got the fender on there. We got the door on there. And it's all lining up pretty good. We got one little bracket we got left to fix down here on the fender. And we got to find a headlight to put in it. Because obviously the one we got is expertly cataloged over there in the trash can. And we need a new one. And we're probably going to try to find some LED or at least some awesome projector headlights or something for it. We got to go ahead and find some paint for it. To paint the fender and the door. So this is Sunday as of the time I'm recording this. So if you're seeing this, hopefully we get it out tonight. But if you're not, then you're seeing this Monday. Or if you're watching this 3 years from now, how did my space shuttle rebuild go? Did it go as I hope it didn't. I hope it went better than the Titanic rebuild. You know, that one there was just not working out. So with that being said, I will see you guys next time. It is cold out here and it's starting to snow. 10 degrees! Yes, I know. If I say it's 10 degrees here, everybody in Alaska says it's negative 400 here. Yes, I know. Wherever you're at, it's cold. It's cold here too, though. So, I'll see you guys next time. Now, with that being said, if you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because Lord knows you want to subscribe and see what's going to happen with the rest of this red truck.